Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's we discuss about important MCQs on liver and respiratory system for all medical exams. Note, some important MCQs related to liver and respiratory system are given below. I always try that the exam result of all of you is successfully received and you bring good numbers. So for this I have brought important MCQs for you who have a chance to appear in many exams and keep appearing in them. So there remains a collection of some important question. I hope you like my question or answer. Then subscribe to my channel to watch more videos so that the notification of all my videos can reach you easily and the result of your exam will be a good. So let's get started. First question is, which of the following statements is true about the weight of the human liver? Option A 1.30 kg to 1.56 kg. Option B 1.44 kg to 1.66 kg. Option C 1.36 kg to 1.71 kg. And option D 1.68 kg to 1.86 kg. And the answer is option B 1.44 kg to 1.66 kg. Second question, which of the following is the function of the human liver? Option A production of bile, option B metabolization of fats, option C metabolization of carbohydrates, and option D all of the above. And the answer is option D all of the above. Third question, albumin is the most important protein in blood serum. It is produced by option A heart, option B lungs, option C liver, and option D endocrine glands. And the answer is option C liver. Fourth question, where is the liver located in the human body? Option A beside pancreas, option B beside heart, option C beside kidney, option D above the abdominal cavity. And the answer is option D above the abdominal cavity. 5. Which of the following vitamin is stored in the liver? Option A vitamin K, option B vitamin D, option C vitamin E, option D all of the above. And the answer is option D all of the above. 6. Cirrhosis is a liver disease described by the abnormal structure of functioning of the liver. This is mainly diagnosed by option A blood test, option B liver biopsy, option C physical examination, and option D all of the above. And the answer is option B liver biopsy. 7. The most common type of incurable viral hepatitis in the United States is option A hepatitis A, option B hepatitis B, option C hepatitis C, option D hepatitis D, and the answer is option C hepatitis C. 8. Severe acute and incurable liver disease result in option A blood clotting, option B production of blood proteins, option C elimination of water, drug and toxin from the body, option D all of the above. And the answer is option D all of the above. 9. Drinking too much alcohol over long periods of time results in option A fasciculosis, option B fatty liver disease, option C alcoholic liver disease, and option D primary sclerosing cholangitis. And the answer is option C alcoholic liver disease. 10. Which of the following is not an example of liver disease? Option A fasciculosis, option B chickenpox, option C fatty liver disease, option D Gilbert's syndrome. And the answer is option B chickenpox. 11. Which of the following statements is true about the human liver? Option A liver is triangular in shape, option B liver is only visceral organ that can regenerate, option C liver is the largest and the internal organ of the human body, and D all of the above. And the answer is all of the above. Respiratory system. Question 1. In which part of the respiratory system gaseous exchange takes place? Option A, alveoli, option B, pharynx, option C, larynx, and option D, trachea. And the answer is A, alveoli. Second question, blank is located between two pleural sacs and it is the central compartment of the thoracic cavity. Option A, hilum, option B, pleura, option C, mediastinum, and option D, thoracic cage. And the answer is option C, mediastinum. Third question, which of the following statement is true about involuntary breathing? Option A, it is controlled by the bronchioles. Option B, it is controlled by the pulmonary arterioles. Option C, it is controlled by the alveolar capillary network. And option D, it is controlled by the neurons located in the medulla and pons. And the answer is option D, it is controlled by the neuron located in the medulla and pons. Question 4. Which of the following are parts of the human respiratory system? Option A, trachea. Option B, diaphragm. Option C, the lungs. And option D, all of the above. And the answer is all of the above. Fifth question, which of the following gas is released out during the process of respiration? Option A, oxygen. Option B, hydrogen. Option C, carbon dioxide. And option D, none of the above. And the answer is option C, carbon dioxide. Question 6. The tiny air sacs present in human lungs is called option A, alveoli, option B, bronchus, option C, bronchioles, and option D, all of the above. And the answer is option A, alveoli. Seventh question, which of the following function by filtering and keeping the mucus and dirt away from our lungs? Option A, cilia, option B, bronchioles, option C, hairs in the lungs, and option D, all of the above. And the answer is option A, cilia. 8. The total number of alveoli present in the human lungs is estimated to be around option A, 1 billion, option B, 800 million, option C, 500 million, and option D, 1500 million. And the answer is option C, 500 million. Ninth question, the exchange of gases between the external environment and the lungs. Option A, respiration. Option B, external respiration. Option C, cellular respiration. And option D, none of the above. And the answer is external respiration. 10th, which one of following statement is false about the trachea? Option A has C-shaped rings. Option B, it is covered by epiglottis. Option C, it is splits into the ring, right and left lungs. And option D, none of the above. And the answer is option B, it is covered by epiglottis. 11. The maximum volume of air contained in the lung by a full forced inhalation is called option A, tidal volume, option B, vital capacity, option C, ventilation rate, and option D, total lungs capacity. And the answer is option D, total lung capacity. 12th question, which one of the following is correct regarding larynx? Option A, it houses the vocal cords. Option B, it prevents the invading pathogens into the trachea. Option C, it is an organ made of cartilage and connects the pharynx to the trachea. and option D, all of the above. And the answer is option D, all of the above. 13. Which of the following is the function of trachea? Option A, gaseous exchange. Option B, filter the air we breathe. Option C, exhale the air from the body. And option D, all of the above. And the answer is option B, filters the air we breathe. 14. Which of this statement is true about internal respiration? Option A, production of ATP. Option B, exchange of gases between the bloodstream and tissue cell. Option C, exchange of gases between alveoli and the bloodstream. And option D, breathing between the atmosphere and the alveoli. And the right answer is option B, exchange of gases between the bloodstream and tissue cell. 15. Which of the following organs function as an air conditioner? Option A, larynx. Option B, pharynx. Option C, nasal chambers. And option D, all of the above. And the answer is option C, nasal chambers. 16. The number breathing process is controlled by option A, lungs. Option B, ventral respiratory group. Option C, dorsal respiratory group. And option D, both B and C. And the answer is option D, both B and C. 17. In a ways, the exchange of gases occur within the option A, lungs. Option B, air sacs. Option C, air sacs and lungs. And option D, none of the above. And the answer is option A, lungs. 18. Which of the following statement is true about the entry of air into the lungs? Option A, air enter the body and travel to the lung through the mouth and the nose. Option B, air enter the body and travel to the lung through the esophagus and gullets. Option C, air enter the body and travel to the lungs through the windpipe and the pores. Option D, air enters the body and travel to the lungs through the nose and the nervous system. And the right answer is option A, air enters the body and travel to the lungs through the mouth and the nose. 19. The windpipe is also called the option A, larynx, option B, lungs, option C, trachea, and option D, esophagus. And the right answer is option C, trachea. 20. In earthworm, the process of respiration is through option A, skin, option B, head, option C, lungs, and option D, pores on its anterior and the answer is option A, skin. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video,